What is up, guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas, and what we have right here are actually two of the latest products of Huawei, and this is the Huawei Mediapad M5 Lite and the Huawei M Pen Lite, which will work on the Mediapad M5 Lite. As you can see in the box, we haven't unboxed this yet. This is the retail box of the M5 Lite. What we got is the 10-inch version. And it says here it has 64 gig of internal storage and 4 gig of RAM, and this version is the space gray version. So let's go ahead and open it, guys. There you go. So this is the tablet. We'll take a look at that later, but let's take a look at first the charger that comes with it. This is the Huawei Quick Charge, and it says here it is 5 volts 2 ampere. I'm pretty sure that the latest supercharger or supercharged charger, which is included in the Huawei Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro box, would work on this one, but I'm not sure how efficient the charging time would be, but that's something that we can check out pretty soon. And other than that, inside this little box, we have there's a Type-C cable, and there should be something in here. Oh, there you go. This is the SIM ejector tool, because this one can take a micro SD card, as far as I know, and at the same time you should be able to use a SIM with it. I'm not particularly sure though if what we got right here is the GSM or LTE version of the Huawei Mediapad M5 Lite. So we are going to check that out later on. Just put this inside, because we're going to be using both of these things or accessories later on. This is a charger, and this one is the charging cable. Alright, let's close this, and let's take a look at the M Pen Lite before we take a look at the tablet. Alright, so this is the pen. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. There you go. There is the pen. Pressure sensitivity should work on this tablet, as far as I know. Inside the sleeve, we've got a quick start guide, and that's it. That's inside this sleeve. And this is the pen, and it also comes with extra points, ball points. Well, it's not actually a pen, but this one right here, that black portion, it's actually susceptible to wear and tear. So they included that in the box. And I'm not sure though how you can remove it. Probably you don't need to pry it open though. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's magnetic, so there's no problem with inserting and putting it back. Now, just for comparison, we have here the Apple Pencil, the first generation of Apple Pencil, and in terms of length, this one is much taller than this one. Well, that's for comparison. At least you know how big it is. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the tablet. This is the Mediapad M5 Lite 10, because this one is a 10-inch version. Let us remove this. There we go. Ooh, cool. There. So, in terms of specifications, the Mediapad M5 Lite, as you can see right there, is powered by HiSilicon 659 or Kirin 659. Cool. Now, before we get onto this, there's a camera right there. On the left side, you've got the SIM tray, which reminds me Let's go ahead and check out if this is indeed a SIM tray or not, because I'm not pretty sure if this is the GSM version of this device. So we have the SIM ejector tool right there. Oh, there. This one can house one SD card. So this is not the GSM version, but what we have right here is only the Wi-Fi version. Also, we've got the Type-C port right here. Type-C port, and okay, that's good. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack on the left side. That's pretty convenient because if they put it in here, it'll be a little difficult for you to play games. So if you're going to play games that would require you to hold the left and the right sides of the tablet, it'll be a little difficult, right? And inconvenient. On the right side, we have, of course, the sleep and wake button and the volume rockers. On the top portion, we've got two speakers. As you can see right there, there are two speakers. And one of the good things about this one is that this is powered by Harman Kardon speakers. So you've got four speakers, two at the top and two at the bottom. As you can see right there. So we should be able to expect that this one would really sound really good. Okay. And then that's pretty much it. Let's fire it up. Next. Agree. 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 We all agree to these things because we won't be able to use it unless we click or tap agree. You tell me if there is a fingerprint sensor. Oh, there you go. There is one there, right there. So it doubles as a fingerprint sensor. It's not just a home button. So it's similar with the P20 Pro. You've got there a home button. At the same time, it also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. There you go. Yes, doing it. Okay, cool. We've got our fingerprint set. Pen cap, pen clip, dry cell battery. Oh, okay. Remove. Unscrew the pen cap. Take out the red insulation pad underneath and then screw in the pen cap again. So guys, if you're getting this, you have to do it properly and you have to read the manual if possible. What do we do? Do we put it right here? Just start it like that. There's a battery inside. There's no more insulation. And yes! It works! Nice! It now works. Now, what we basically do is try it. Nebo for Huawei. What is this? How do we use it? Right here. G. Yan. Ooh, very accurate. I'm here to simplify taking and sharing your... I cannot read that! Try without an account. Nice. Not enough space. To continue, please display Nebo in full screen. Let's just try this. New notebook. Trying. Plus, camera, sketch, diagram. Let's go try the other one. We've got script calculator. Cool. 2 plus 2. Oh! 2,422 times 33 equals... Oh! Woo! Cool. Pi is equal to... Whoa! Yes! Yes! There is also what you call Game Suite, which is fairly similar with what we have on the Huawei P20, P20 Pro, and also Nova 3. This basically makes use of the GPU Turbo. We have to check though if GPU Turbo is compatible with this one because it has this kind of application, so I would assume that this also works, or this one also has that feature. Now also one more thing that we need to check is of course the camera. This one has rear camera and front-facing camera. Specs of these cameras are now displayed. Now, let's take a look at how these cameras work. Not too shabby. You're taking a photo now, and there's touch to take photo. And what about the front camera? Hello. So it's a little wide than usual, as you can see right there. There's also touch to shoot. Cool. There's beautification mode as well. You can set it to maximum if you want to. Cool. Right there. There is no AI as far as I know, so just like the other smartphones of Huawei, there is no such thing as AI implementation on this tablet. Okay. So that's about it, guys. That has been our quick unboxing and preview of the Huawei Mediapad M5 Lite. We will be reviewing this on our website, and go check that out once it's out at gadgetpilipinas.net. We will also be playing video games with the M5 Lite, and we'll try to see what we can play on this one at maximum settings. And we're going to be posting that as well on our Facebook and YouTube pages. If you haven't liked our Facebook page, please go ahead and click like. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube, I would appreciate if you can do that as well. So again, guys, this has been GN of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon on the next video.